In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get App Store on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to make sure the App Store is visible again and easy to access from your device. So first, I want you to check the app library because sometimes the App Store is just removed from the home screen, but still exists on your phone. To do that, I'm swiping all the way to the last page of your home screen. Once you reach the final page, you'll see the app library view. Now at the top of the app library there's a search bar, so at this point I'm tapping on that search bar and getting ready to type. I'm typing App Store slowly just to make sure it appears in the results. Alright, now I can see the App Store icon showing up in the search results. At this point I'm pressing and holding on it. When I do that, a small menu appears with different options. Now I'm looking at the options carefully and I'm selecting Add to Home Screen. Once I tap that, the App Store icon will immediately reappear on my home screen so I can access it easily again without going back into the app library every time. I like to pause here for a second just to confirm it actually showed up. So I'm going back to the home screen and checking my pages, and you should now see the App Store icon placed back where it can be used normally. If for some reason you still can't find it, don't worry, because the App Store cannot actually be deleted from an iPhone. It can only be removed from the home screen, so it's always still inside your app library or searchable through Spotlight. That means it's never truly gone, just hidden from view. And that's it. You opened the app library, searched for App Store, pressed and held the icon, and added it back to your home screen. Now your App Store is fully restored and ready to use anytime you need it.